Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you add timer in Premiere Pro. So guys, to add timer in Premiere Pro you need to just go to your effects. As you can see effects here, just click on the effects and search here time code, and after searching for time code, as you can see the time code is here. Now just simply drop it in the clip, and after dropping it in the clip, as you can see the timer is here. You can see the timer is running. You can change the timer, everything in the timer through effect controls. So just click on this effect controls and select the clip, and as you can see the position of the timer, you can just change it by clicking it like anywhere you want, like at the side of the video. You can make the size bigger if you want, like this. You can change the opacity, like with black border or without, like this. If you do not want this symbol, which is called here field symbol, you can just change it by clicking here, like this. And after that, make sure the format is SMPTE, and timecode source you can just change it to clip. You can also change the time display to 30 to 60, 50, any non-drop frame you want. And after that, let's just check it. You can just do this also. I'm simply cutting it. As you can see, the timer is here in this video. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.